Hey, what you got?
It's one of those floor robot things for sweeping stuff up.
What? A robot made?
Yeah. Seriously, can you imagine how much time this is going to save us? I think it's going to be great.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah, no kidding.
Let's see. So how does it work?
Check this out.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, so it puts the stuff in there.
Awesome. Robot made. Here we come. We may never vacuum again.
That's pretty cool.
So I guess it just goes back and forth until, oh, look at it, picked something up.
Yes.
We may never vacuum again.
You know what? I bet we could
just leave it go, I guess. Hey?
Yeah, so guess what you do.
We may never vacuum again. Oh, this is great.
Yeah.
So we could just set it and our house will be vacuumed when we get home.
Yes, it will. I think that's the best thing ever.
Downstairs. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, does more than one level. Can you imagine how much time this is going to save us?
What's up?
I just got to clean out the brush and we can get right back to it.
Oh, it's great.
To save
to save all the work that vacuuming could be.
Yeah.
It's not stuck on anything.
Cool.
Goodbye, robot maid.
Can you imagine how much time this is going to save us?
Yeah, that's awesome.